Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about a topic related to the excretion in other organisms. Hmm? From the last class, we were discussed about the excretion takes place in human beings, isn't it? Yes. So here today we are dealing with the different excretion takes place in different organisms. Okay. Did you know that? Anyone know that? Is how the excretion takes place in the organisms, other organisms? Nobody? No problem. Let us discuss about the excretion in other organisms. Are you interested? Yes. Okay. As in human beings, the excretion is also taking place in other organisms also. Let us discuss about how the excretion takes place. Is there is any special excretory organs are present, and what are the excretory products? They get eliminated through our body, through their body. Okay, let us move on to the topic. First of all, let us discuss about amoeba. We know that amoeba is a unicellular organism. And there is no special excretory organs for amoeba. There is no special organs for excretory organ for amoeba for their excretion. Their contractile vacuole function as excretory organ. Their body contain a contractile vacuole. It acts as a excretory organ. So, the excretory organ in amoeba is their contractile vacuole. So, the contractile vacuole in amoeba is act as their excretory organ. No special excretory organs are present in amoeba. And the excretory products are ammonia, excess water in the body. So, the amoeba eliminate ammonia and excess water present in their body through their contractile vacuole, and no special organs are present for their excretion. So, what is the excretory organ? Which is act as excretory organ of amoeba? The excretory organ is contractile vacuole. And what are the excretory products? Ammonia, excess water in the body. Okay. Then the next organism is earthworm. We all know that. What is earthworm? The farmer's friend. It is known as the farmer's friend. Earthworm. Urea, ammonia and water are the excretory products of earthworm. There is a special structure called nephridia collect excretory products from body cavity and eliminated through the pores in the body surface. So, the special structure called nephridia collect excretory products from the body cavity and eliminate through the pores in the body surface. So, nephridia act as a excretory organ. So, in earthworm, nephridia, a special structure, is present in the earthworm's body. So, it is act as an excretory organ. And it collect all the excretory products from the body and eliminated through small pores in the body. The body of earthworm contains small pores and the waste products are eliminated through these pores. What are the excretory products? Urea, ammonia and water. These are the excretory products of earthworm. All of you understand? Okay. Then move on to the third organism, insect. What is it? Insect. Insect contain a malphizian tubule seen along with digestive tract. A special organ called malphizian tubule which seen along with the digestive tract of insects, and they separate excretory products and eliminate along with digestive waste. And they separate the excretory products and eliminate along with digestive waste. So the special organ is malphizian tubule. So here we discuss three organisms: amoeba, earthworm, insects. Amoeba does not contain a special excretory organ. Their contractile vacuole act as an excretory organ, and no special excretory organs are present. Ammonia, excess water in the body are the excretory products of amoeba. And the next one is earthworm. There is a special structure called nephridia which collect all the excretory products from the body cavity, and it is eliminated through the body pores on the body surface. And the excretory products are urea, ammonia and water. And the third one we studied is insect. Uric acid is the excretory product. There is a special structure called malphizian tubule sealed along with their digestive tract. They separate excretory products and eliminate along with the digestive waste. Okay. Then the next one is fishes. Fishes kidney filter the waste and eliminate directly to water. So the excretory organ is kidney. Kidney that filter. We all know that in our body also kidney plays a major role in filtration of blood, and it plays a major role in excretion. Here also in fishes also kidney filter the waste and eliminate directly it into water. And the next one is frog. Nitrogenous waste filtered by kidney are excreted in form of urine. What is takes place in frog? Nitrogenous wastes filtered by kidney. The kidney filtered nitrogenous wastes and are excreted in form of urine. In our body also the excess water and some wastes are eliminated in form of urine. And in frog also the excess water and the wastes are eliminated in form of urine, and the nitrogenous wastes are eliminated in form of urine. And the excretory product is urea. What is the excretory product? Urea. And the next organism is reptiles and birds. It includes reptiles and birds. Kidney filter waste products and eliminate along with digestive waste. Kidney filter waste products and eliminate along with digestive waste. So, in fishes, frogs, reptiles and birds, kidney plays a major role in elimination. In three organisms, fishes, frogs and reptiles and birds, kidney plays a major role in excretion. So their excretory organs are kidney. And the reptiles and birds, their excretory product is uric acid. Excretory product is uric acid. And in insects also the excretory product is uric acid. So as an insect, reptiles and birds are eliminated the uric acid. So here we discussed 6 organisms, their excretory products and excretory organs. Let us watch a video related to the excretion in other organisms. Listen carefully, okay? students, all of you understand the video? Did you like it? Yes. In that video, it explains each process, isn't it? Yes, the excretory products and the excretory organs of each organisms. So, once again, I repeat all the excretory products and excretory organs of each organisms. You must listen and then I will ask some questions to you. Okay, are you ready? Yes. First one, amoeba. There is no special organisms for amoeba for excretion. Their contractile vacuole in their body function as an excretory organ. And the excretory products are ammonia, excess water in the body. These are get eliminated through this contractile vacuole. Okay? Clear? Yes. Then the second one is earthworm. There is a special structure called nephridia which collect the excretory products from the body cavity and eliminate through the pores of body surface. So, the excretory products formed in earthworm is collected by the nephridia and it is excreted through the pores in the body surface. So, the special organ called nephridia is present in there to help in the process of excretion. And their excretory products are urea, ammonia, water. These are get eliminated through the body surface and nephridia is help for them to collect these excretory products. Okay. Then insect. The third one is insect. Malpighian tubule seen along with their digestive tract. Malpighian tubule seen along with their digestive tract. They separate excretory products and eliminate along with digestive waste. So, these Malpighian tubules helps in excretion. It separates the excretory products and eliminate along with digestive waste. In insect, the excretory product is uric acid. So, the uric acid is eliminated through the Malpighian tubules. Okay. Then, the next organism is fishes. Kidney is act as the excretory organ of fish. Kidney filter the wastes and eliminate directly into water. So, kidney eliminate waste, filter the waste and eliminate directly into water. The fishes are seen in water, isn't it? Yes. So, the waste products are eliminated directly into the water. And the excretory product is ammonia. What is the excretory product? Which is ammonia. Do you understand? Yes. Is it clear? Yes. Then the fifth one is frog. Which is frog. Nitrogenous wastes are filtered by kidney, are excreted in the form of urine. So, in this also kidneys act as an excretory organ. So, the nitrogenous wastes are filtered and excreted in form of urine. And the excretory product is urea. So, the excretory product is urea. And the last one is reptiles and birds. In this also kidney is filtered the waste products and eliminate along with digestive waste. So here also kidneys act as an excretory organ. And uric acid is the product and uric acid is eliminated through this kidney. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. So I will ask some questions to you. Are you ready? Yes. So, which is the excretory product of insect? First one, excretory product of insect, uric acid. Okay, very good. Sit down. Then next one, which is the excretory products of reptiles and birds, uric acid. Okay, very good. Sit down. Then next one, which is the excretory product of frog, uric acid. No, uric acid. Urea. Yes, urea. Correct it. Urea. Urea is the excretory product of frog. Okay, sit down. Then, is amoeba contain any special excretory organ? No. Then, which is act as the excretory organ? Contractile vacuole. Okay, very good. Sit down. Okay. Hope you all of you understand this topic. That's all for today's class. You must prepare a short note about the excretory organs and excretory products in other organisms. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.